Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing investors are holding Bitcoin more in anticipation of the 2021 bull market. New data shows that Bitcoin's current price action is showing much higher levels of HODLing activity than the levels during previous bull cycles. According to Willy Woo, a well-known on-chain analyst, an indicator called reflexivity has been on the rise in recent months. Wu explained that the reflexivity indicator measures Bitcoin investors' tendency to hold their Bitcoin as price rises. This is essentially an alternative way to estimate holding activity of retail investors. The next bull run might lead to BTC above $20,000. There are several reasons that cause retail investors to hold on to their Bitcoin even more so than during previous bull cycles. If Bitcoin manages to rally in 2021, most investors would see that the event is a post-halving bull run. Historically, Bitcoin has rallied to 12 to 15 months after each halving and managed to record a new all-time high each time. Based on Bitcoin's tendency to rally after a halving, many retail investors might be holding to avoid being priced out in a case of a strong sustained rally. Also, Bitcoin has shown a surprising level of resilience throughout several potential black swan events. After its initial recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic-induced crash in March, its price has stayed above $10,000 despite numerous negative events. Looking at the most recent example, the price of Bitcoin went down slightly after the US CFTC charged the crypto trading platform BitMEX with violating the Bank Secrecy Act. After the CFTC's announcement, Bitcoin price instantly fell below $10,500, but quickly recovered to the $10,700 support level. According to Willy Woo, this is most likely due to the confluence of the two key factors. He then explained, reflexivity represents hodlers' tendency to hold their crypto harder as price increases. While I had expected reflexivity to increase during the craze of the bull markets, it looks quite constant from the last two cycles. However, this cycle is interesting as reflexivity is increasing rather than being static compared to its last cycles. Even though we now need more capital invested to get a similar percentage gain in price, more and more hodlers are holding even tighter than before. The US presidential election may push Bitcoin price higher. Industry executives and prominent investors in the crypto space foresee that the upcoming US presidential election in November benefiting Bitcoin. CEO of Three Arrows Capital Su Zhu said a Democratic sweep would almost certainly catalyze Bitcoin due to various macro factors. He also suggested that a Trump second term could be to the benefit of Bitcoin. Biden is extremely bullish for Bitcoin because a Democrat blue wave will most likely usher in the unprecedented installation of MMT agenda with corresponding dollar weakness and deficits. That being said, Trump is also bullish for Bitcoin, though to a lesser extent. As it stands now, Bitcoin is less affected by the negative news than by the positive news, which is one of the main indicators for identifying a bull market. While we are not there yet completely, most analysts believe that 2021 will be a great year for Bitcoin, regardless of what happens around the world. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.